Are you experiencing a transfer failed error in AirDrop on your iPhone? If so, it can be very frustrating. This error can occur due to connectivity issues, software glitches, or device settings. Here's the step-by-step guide to help you fix the problem and get AirDrop working smoothly. Before you start, make sure that you have at least 25% change or more. If this is below 20%, this will not work. Solution 1. Enable AirDrop from settings for both devices. Open settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap General, select AirDrop, choose Everyone for 10 minutes to make AirDrop visible and available to all nearby Apple devices. Check if AirDrop now appears in Control Center or Settings. Now check again. Solution 2. Turn off low power mode. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Battery, turn off low power mode. Now swipe down from the top, turn off and on both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Sign out and back into iCloud. Sometimes iCloud syncing issues can interfere with AirDrop. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Make sure you remember your Apple ID and password. Go to Settings again and sign back in to iCloud. Retry the AirDrop transfer after signing back in. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, select Allowed Apps, toggle AirDrop on to enable it from the Control Center and Settings. Solution 5. Give Rest All setting. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer and Reset. Tap Rest All setting. Now make sure to give a Rest All setting to solve your issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the transfer failed error in AirDrop on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video. Let me know if you'd like any additional help or more solutions.